Welcome to our comparison of two fantastic compact laundry dryers from Euhomy. Today, we will take an in-depth look at the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer, which boasts a larger capacity of 3.5 cubic feet and a powerful 1500 W motor, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, we will also explore the Euhomy Compact Dryer, which is perfect for smaller spaces with its 1.8 cubic feet capacity and lightweight design. Both dryers feature stainless steel drums and multiple drying modes, but they cater to different needs. Let's dive into the details and see which dryer stands out. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer offers a significant advantage with its 3.5 cubic feet capacity, allowing you to dry larger loads of laundry at once. On the other hand, the Euhomy Compact Dryer, with its 1.8 cubic feet capacity, is better suited for smaller loads, making it ideal for apartments or dorms where space is limited. If you frequently do larger laundry loads, the B08N4 DVVYS model may be the better choice for you. In terms of power, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer operates at 1500 W, which means it can dry clothes faster compared to the Euhomy Compact Dryer, which has a wattage of 1020 W. This higher wattage in the B08N4 DVVYS model translates to quicker drying times, making it a great option for those who need their laundry done in a hurry. However, if you have lighter loads, the B0C6LZ4B1B model will still get the job done efficiently. Price is another important factor to consider. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer is priced at $339, reflecting its larger capacity and higher wattage. In contrast, the Euhomy Compact Dryer is more budget-friendly at $239, making it an attractive option for those who are looking for a compact dryer without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your budget and laundry needs. In conclusion, both Euhomy dryers have their unique strengths. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer is perfect for larger loads and faster drying, while the Euhomy Compact Dryer is ideal for smaller spaces and a lower price point. Consider your laundry habits and space constraints when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.